Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just arrived from Barcelona in Mexico City and I'll be having a 25 hours layover. So in this video, it's mostly about food. I'll be doing some short little mukbangs and a little show around in the city. I hope you enjoy. We are a big number of crew today and we decided to go straight out after we landed. And yes, we decided to go to a very authentic local place which sells local tacos. I love Mexican food because the spiciness fits right into my taste buds. The first ever tacos that I ever had in my life was in Bali, and I was blown away with the taste, flavors, and the spicy sauce on the side, which was amazing. And guys, this is the restaurant that I was talking about. The tacos were very reasonable and they had a lot of varieties from seafood, pork, beef, chicken, veg, and everything. We also ordered some guacamoles, and the nachos were freshly made and they were hot and crispy. It was mind blowing.
Trying cactus for the first time.
Oh my god, do we eat cactus now? Since when?
Since now.
Is it eatable?
Since today.
Spicy degree.
Wow. It's sour. You like it? Interesting texture.
Real taste.
I ordered two types of tacos. One of them was beef and the other one was seafood. I mostly prefer the beef one because the flavor was amazing, so flavorful and tasty, whereas the seafood was a little bland for me and very rubbery and chewy, which made it a little hard for me to eat. But yeah, I really enjoyed the tacos. After the dinner, we went straight home and then I got some sleep and it's already morning. I didn't want to miss anything, so I went out with two of my friends to grab breakfast in this famous restaurant and the weather was so good.
The sunrise looks so beautiful. I want to look at the street food also. The street foods. I just want to see what they sell, you know? Even though I don't eat, it's so interesting to look around and try the street foods. Like the smoke stalls, they sell food on the streets. Oh, the sunrise. We came on the right thing. Let's go there and just see what they're doing. What they're doing. We can cross or...
And here's the breakfast place that I was talking about. The captain recommended to us saying that it was amazing, so we wanted to try it.
I think it's fresh. It's real, it's not fake, but true. It's so nice. Oh my god, this is big.
Red chai. I'll go for it.
Chai?
Yes. I pushed enough.
With milk?
No, without milk, please. No milk.
So,
This restaurant turned out to be very famous in this area and we were so lucky we came here early and we got a table to have breakfast. While we were having breakfast, there were a lot of people in line waiting for us to finish.
Hot chocolate for me and a cookie. But it smells amazing. I can smell the cardamom and everything.
And the berries here.
Yeah, you have the whole pot.
Because it will be really amazing with lemon. It's just for lemon. I like herbal tea. Just fix your stuff just in case, yeah? I mean, I can't fix this. No, you.
Can you realize how good that we came early? Can you see on this
Yeah.
queue?
Look at the queue line behind me. There were a lot of people waiting for us to finish our breakfast. We felt a little guilty, but yeah, we wanted to enjoy our food. And here's the breakfast.
Thank you so much. I think so much. Thank you.
Просто как этот телеграм работает, люди не находят вообще непонятно откуда меня. Просто какая-то непонятная девочка написала, ну типа, не представилась ничего. Здравствуйте, вы из Самары? Мне просто это интересно. I thought it would be with tomato. It's falling down your cheese. Let it fall.
After eating that much of food, it's time to burn the calories. We decided to walk around the city. It took us around 1 hour, I guess. In my layover, even though I don't have anything to do outside, I prefer going out and just walking around the city and see how people live in these countries in their day-to-day life. And it's always mandatory to go check out 7-Eleven in each and every country. That's my bucket list because 7-Eleven has everything that I need, and it's quite fascinating to me to explore each and every country's 7-Eleven because the items which they sell are totally different and they have a lot of collections which I cannot get in every country, which makes it more interesting for me. And just look at these beautiful flowers. I was so tempted to buy them, but yeah, it's a waste to buy them because I can't carry it with me. And while walking past the alley, we saw a lot of street foods. I wished I didn't eat so much during the breakfast time so that I have some space to eat and try some local food. But yeah,
Palacio.
If you watch the helicopter,
Okay.
and on our way, we just found a cathedral church and we wanted to check it inside because it looks so fascinating from outside. The architecture was amazing, looks so beautiful, and they also had a Leonardo da Vinci art show going on. but the tent was so small, so we decided not to spend the money just for that, and we went straight inside the church. I usually don't get a chance often to go to church, so I decided to sit down and have a short prayer for myself and my family and to reflect on myself. The church was built so beautifully, it was so magical and magnificent. I had a great time coming here and had a prayer for myself. It feels great after so long. And after that, I went straight to my hotel, leaving my friends alone because I wanted to get some sleep before my flight because it's a long flight. And that's all about my layover in Mexico City. Comment down below what you liked the most in this video or what food would you like to try. And back to my beautiful hotel. It looks so beautiful from the inside. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!